In this video, you will be introduced to your RISE course and shown how to navigate through the course. To begin, we are looking at the welcome page for your course. As you can see, the course title is at the center of the page along with the author of the course. The Start Course button will allow you to begin the course. The Details button will show you all of the sections of the course and the topics within each section. To pick up at a certain area, you will click on the section or topic you wish to view. To view the course from the beginning, you will click on the Course Start button, which we will do right now. Now you can see the beginning of the first section or module for this course. As you can see, there is an overview of the course on the left side and the course content in the center of the page. On the left side, you will see the course title at the top. Under the title, you will see your progress within the course. As you complete more sections of the course, the percent complete will be updated. Under your course progress, there is a list of sections and topics. You can view or hide the topics in a section by clicking the drop-down arrow. Additionally, you could select a topic or section to view that content. And that concludes our navigation video.